Hi friends, the most discarded part of the pomegranate is the peels. But actually, the pomegranate peels have surprising health benefits. It is widely used in Ayurvedic medicine to reduce blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol levels. It also improves brain function. It is known to prevent certain type of cancers due to its significant antioxidant activity. It can prevent serious heart diseases. In this video, we will see a simple recipe with pomegranate peels. So instead of discarding the peels, you can use it to make one of the best healthy drinks. First, take a whole pomegranate, wash it very well to remove any dirt or pesticides on the skin. Cut open and carefully remove all the peels. I have seen this way of cutting pomegranate easily in some YouTube video. This way you can cut it cleanly. Now you slowly separate the seeds. This is going to take time, but you are anyways going to do if you want to enjoy a fresh pomegranate. Finally, we have separated all the seeds and peels. You can consume these delicious antioxidant rich seeds, but here we focus on the peels. Remove all the inner white membrane carefully. They come out easily even if you peel with the hand, but I am using a knife to cleanly remove the white membrane. Finally, we have collected all the clean outer red skin which is flourishing with the nutrients. You can use all of these peels, but if the pomegranate is a large one, you can just use some of it. Cut the peels into small pieces like this. In a saucepan, add 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Once the water starts to boil, add the pomegranate peels and reduce the heat to a simmer. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. The water will turn into reddish pink color, indicating that the antioxidants and the nutrients from the pomegranate peels are infusing into the water. At this time, you can switch off the stove. Let the contents cool down slightly. Strain out the pomegranate peels and discard them. Collect the infused water into a glass like this. If you prefer a sweeter taste, you can add 1 teaspoon of honey or agave syrup to the water while it is still warm. Optionally, add a pinch of black salt or Himalayan pink salt to balance the flavors and enhance the taste. Garnish with a few mint leaves and a slice of lemon or lime. Drink this healthy antioxidant-rich water to stay hydrated and boost your immunity. The drink contains polyphenols like tannins and anthocyanins, which help fight free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, aids in digestion, healthy weight loss, and detoxifies body to promote clear skin.
If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe and come back for more interesting videos. Love to see you again.